welcome back to the channel once again. And if it's the first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we are back at Prampram, the township itself, where we have plot of land for sale in this area, right? So this is the drone shot of the vicinity where we have the land. So we will be going 360 round for you to have a view of what to expect, right? If you are interested in buying this particular land that I will be showing you, right? So this is the Prampram township, right? So if you look further ahead, that is Chopoli for you. And then as we are moving on your left hand side, this is the Dowenya township. And then we are getting closer to Tama Community 25, right? And then we are heading towards the sea now, right? So this is where the land is, where the red arrow is. Yeah, that's where the land is. It is 5 plots, which is all going for sale. You can decide to buy 2 plots or 3 plots, right? So the owner is not selling just 1 plot, right? So anything above, 1 is acceptable, right? So this is where you have the sea, right? So that's where the sea is. During the time of recording this video, it was the Harmattan season, so it's difficult to see the sea, right? So this is the main road, right? I think the land is just like, I would say maybe 1 minute drive from the roadside. So if you stand on the roadside, you can see, the ocean, right from here, right? So I'll be taking you through, a walk from this location to where the land actually is, so that you also see how the area looks like on the ground, right? So for those that are familiar with Prampram, this is the Mandela Road, right? In Prampram, we have 2 major roads. One goes to the main township, which is the old township of Prampram. And then we have this one, which, this is where I would say new Prampram, right? This is where you have all the beautiful big houses, nice mansions here. And the old, town, which is the other side, which is where the camera is focusing. That's where I have my project, which is the Prampram project, right? So if you notice on my personal project, if you've seen some of the drone shots and stuff, you won't see any high story buildings, right? You won't see story buildings or big houses, right? That's the kind of, I would say, the old township of Prampram, and this is the new, site of Prampram. Take notice of the red roofing here. I will show it to you when we get closer to the land for you to see, the distance, from where the main land is and then the main road, right? And also how closer it is to the sea as well. It's not very close to the sea, but it is. You can see, the ocean when you put up maybe a 3-story building. The drone shot didn't do justice to that. Like I said, it was in the dry season, so that was a bit difficult to see. But during, from maybe April going, you can see, the ocean from afar, right? So we are still on the roadside, getting to the junction where the land is. And one thing I will say about this particular land is that it is suitable for someone who wants to create maybe a mini gated community, right? And also someone who wants to put up an apartment. This is a best location for you to actually do that. If you want to put up apartment, there are some things, some of these amenities that you really need: a place to store your water tanks, a car park, and all of those things. This is a 5 plot of land that gives you much space to do whatever you want to do, right? So that is a junction. So we will be walking maybe, let's say, 2 minutes to get to where the land actually is. So if you pay attention also to this particular stretch, you will notice that most of the houses you see are all on acres, right? That's how this place was sold. So you won't see, 2 houses that are very close to each other. There's always gap in between the houses because most of the people that bought land here, they bought it in acres, right? That is the advantage of you actually getting this land so that the houses are not so close to each other. And it is also a road side, right? The land is on this road, and it has another road at the back. So I mean, you have multiple roads, with this particular land that you can use it for anything that you want, right? So if you notice on your left and right, like I said, the houses you see, they are all on acres, right? They're all on acres, and we are approaching the land. The land is, just right in front of us, right? So that is the red roof that we saw by the roadside, right? So this gives you an idea, the distance, where we walk to, and then, where the land is, right? I mean, for those that have been following me for some time, you saw in the beginning the drone footage, there was like a construction going on. I mean, we have projects at this location. We have the Prampram apartment, right? If you go to my playlist, you look for Prampram apartment, you will see this location once again in my videos, right? We are building apartments. I mean, maybe I think we will walk close to the place so that you see the current update of the apartment that we are building. Next door is actually next door to this um, property, right? So this is the land. This is where the land is. It has electricity. It has water as well. The water pipe is right in front of the land, right? So when you get this property, there's no hustle of getting electricity, and there's no hustle also for water. Everything is on the land. I would say it is even a service land, right? So we have one plot here, and then the two is at the back, right? And then I mean we will see it from here, right? So I mean this is the land. If you're talking about pricing, I know most of you want to know how much it costs. As it stands now, I have already negotiated with the owner, right? So this is how the land looks, right? So you have three plots, which is this stretch. So from where the entrance is, right, to where the this current block work in front of us ends, is one plot, and then you have four, plot two getting to the end, right? So you can see the house which is next to it. Like I told you, all the lands here were sold in acres, right? So this is the whole land that you see, right? Very suitable if you want to put up your, mini townhouses. You can position them very nice, right? If you want to put up apartments, this is a perfect location for you. You can have the views, the sea views, and also the views of Dowenya, Temakom 25, Chopole, as you saw in the drone shot, right? So if you're an investor, I mean, this is one location you wouldn't like to play with, right? So as we are standing on the structure now, right? So this is the first level, and this is your view, right? Just imagine you are just one level, and this is what you are getting. So you can imagine if you are putting apartment 3 level, 4 level. So that is apartment that we are building, for one of our clients. That's what you see there, right? So you can imagine if you are going 3 high, 4 high, the views you are going to get, right? 360. Like I said, this is just one level. So you can imagine going to the second level, third level. If you want to get an idea how it will actually look, if you go to my Prampram project, once again in my playlist, I am building a 3-story structure so you can get the views as well, and also with the ocean and everything, right? Like I said, this is a main road. All these cars are coming from Accra, from Tema and Ashiama, Eastern region, Volta region. The amenities here by the beach side is not far to the coast. So these are some of the beach resorts, right? Some of the things you can expect, the amenities you can expect to have, try if you use this for an investment project. Your guests, or I mean your clients, your tenants, they can all come here, have fun. I mean, I will show you other beach resorts as well that are also into this kind of business, right? All you need is the land, and we have it for you, right? So this is a property that you can use it as your residential as well. If you just want to put up your house and just live in it, that's also fine. But I live in Prampram. Like I told you, my property is also not far from here, and I know what is happening in this place. It is more like a business hub, like a holiday. Prampram is more like a holiday location than like a residential place for people to stay. Actually, right. So this is also another project, which is the Five Seasons, right? They also have their own business running here, and we will see more on the views you can expect. I'm just chipping in these videos for you to see what is possible, right? It is just like 5 minute drive from here to where the land is, right? So these are some of the views you can expect. That's the ocean for you, right? So I was on the price, right? So the price is, like I said, I have already negotiated with a client, and the client is asking for 18,000 US dollars. We started all the way from 20,000, but I just want to go straight forward to the point. I don't like front and back and all of that, so I just went straight forward. It's 18,000 US dollars per plot, and it is either you are buying two plots, three plots, four plots, or you are buying all the five plots at once, right? So, like I said, what you want to use it for is basically on you, but I'm just sharing an idea based on, my experience in this place and what is actually happening. And talking about what's happening, we all know that the road construction is ongoing. And when that road is constructed, we have 4 lanes from Accra to Prampram. Is going to take you roughly maybe 20 minutes or 15, even 15 minutes, right? And not even talking about if you are driving from Accra to this particular land, the location, you are driving on, asphalt, tiled road, right? Unless you get to the junction where you have to branch to where the land is, which is just 1 minute drive. That's the only untarred road you will drive on. That is if you are coming from, Accra, right? It could be the Accra Central. Central, right? So it is a perfect location from the airport. Also, let me put it again, from the airport to where the land is all tarred road, and it's going to be good roads as well because it is under construction, right? So this is a similar idea which is happening here. If you all know, this is Ocean Green, right? These are places, some of the amenities around the community where people come to have fun. So the market is there, right? If you want to invest, this is a better opportunity, or let me say, this is a good opportunity for you. And if you want something as personal, residential, private, that's also something as well for you, right? So I will just leave it here, and if you are interested, just get in touch with me. That is my number is on the screen. I'll forward you straight to the owner, and then you decide the payment plan and how you want to go around it, right? If you also, maybe you are someone that wants to get very close to the sea as well, we also have some properties which is a bit closer to the sea, but those ones, the price are a little bit higher. If you go to my playlist and then you go for buying land, you see some of these properties as well there, where we have plots of land which is like just maybe 2 minutes walk to the ocean itself, right? For those that want uh, beachfront property as well, if you go to my playlist, all kinds of land that you are looking for to buy, especially in Prampram, Dawenya, Accra, East Legon, and all of that, if you go to my playlist, you will find it, right? So these are some of the places you could come and enjoy. This is the land I was just talking about, which is just 2 minutes walk to the ocean. We have just 4 plots going for sale in this estate, right? So just get in touch if you are interested. And my last words for today's video is Prampram Ningo Chopoli Dawa, right? It's going to be the next big city, next to Greater Accra, right? So if you have the opportunity and the chance to invest in one of these towns, please do, because what is happening is going to be big, right? So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Leke. Tui.